Following the receipt of results from the Caribbean Public Health Agency, CARPHA, the Saint Lucia Medical and Dental Association, SLMDA, is reviewing Saint Lucia's handling of the suspected case, now proven to be negative by CARPHA's lab results. SLMDA's president, Dr. Merle Clark, says Victoria Hospital's performance once the patient was flagged is commendable.
With the quarantine of the non-national on Tuesday, there was widespread panic. To a certain extent understandable, but we want to guard against that. There are quite a few things that went well as it pertains to the medical care and the protocols when this patient got to VH. Still a lot of confusion as to how the whole thing happened, and we do as an SLMDA believe that our ports, there needs to be more vigilance in terms of patients entering, because this is somebody who had a travel history, a very important travel history, and perhaps that was missed somewhere. So we do believe that it has to be emphasized that we have to be more vigilant in that regard, but the protocols were followed once the patient was flagged in the emergency room of the hospital, and we need to commend the teams, Dr. Labadie in the ER and her team, and Dr. Colleen Snack on internal medicine and their team.
Dr. Clark says St. Lucians have to focus on what they can do to keep themselves safe, not only from COVID-19, the new coronavirus, but from all other forms of diseases that are having a serious impact on the nation's health.
It is, I think, concerning what we're seeing in part on social media, the idea that the health officials are lying. So fortunately, and I think everybody breathed a collective sigh of relief that the test results for this particular patient, the non-national was quarantined at a public health facility, were negative. And the idea that, how did it get back so quickly? You would think we would applaud that. But there's the idea that the health officials aren't being truthful with the population. I think we'd like to dispel that. It is untrue. When the results that come out, the pertinent people, the physicians particularly involved in the patient's care, as soon as those were received, they were made aware. And of course, the chief medical officer did eventually announce the results in the evening when she did a live show. But we in St. Lucia, we just need to be together. At a time like this, and we said that in our statement as well, we need to fight this together. It's only remaining united that we will prevail.
This latest incident involving a foreign national with a recent travel history that includes China provided a scare for the public and a test for the various protocols in place by the healthcare system. Saint Lucia for the HTS News Force.